I'm Leanne Carswell, the owner and broker of the Expert Real Estate Team. Today we're talking about an essential topic for anyone looking to sell their home in Greer, South Carolina. Selling your home is a significant milestone, and it's crucial to ensure your property is in top-notch condition to attract the right buyers and secure the best possible price. Tip number 1, declutter and depersonalize your space. Potential buyers want to envision themselves living in your home, and it's hard to do that when personal items are scattered everywhere. Start by decluttering each room, packing away personal items, and creating a clean, inviting space that allows buyers to imagine their own lives there. Start making any necessary repairs and improvements. A leaky faucet or a loose doorknob may seem insignificant, but they can raise red flags for buyers and give the impression that your home hasn't been well maintained. Invest some time and money into fixing these issues and consider making small upgrades like fresh paint or updated light fixtures to increase your home's appeal. Now let's talk about staging. Properly staging your home can make a world of difference in how it's perceived by potential buyers. Work with a professional stager or use some simple staging techniques to showcase your home's best features and create an inviting atmosphere that buyers won't be able to resist. Now, when it comes to pricing your home, it's crucial to get it where it needs to be. Pricing too high can deter buyers, while pricing too low could leave money on the table. Work with your real estate agent to analyze comparable sales data and market trends to determine the optimal listing price for your home. Once your home is ready to hit the market, it's time to spread the word. Effective marketing can make all the difference in attracting potential buyers. Utilize a mix of online and offline marketing channels to include professional photography, virtual tours, and social media promotion. Make sure your home gets the attention that it deserves. Make sure throughout the entire selling process you are flexible and responsive to potential buyers' needs. Make yourself available for showings, respond promptly to inquiries, and be open to negotiations to keep the transaction moving forward smoothly. You can always rely on your real estate agent to help you with this entire process. And there you have it, some of the essential tips and strategies for helping you sell your home in Greer, South Carolina. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more real estate tips and advice. And if you're ready to sell your home, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you so much for watching, and best of luck on your home selling journey.